Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create angel wings in Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is to go to this awesome website I found, higgsfield.ai, which is a very great website for creating visual effects for your videos. All you have to do is to log in, then click on the visual effects section, scroll and choose the angel wings side. Then you'll be brought to a page like this where you get to actually see the effect before deciding to create them. So we can see a black set of wing comes out from behind the person. So all you have to do is to click on generate, and then you'll be brought to a page like this. I'm processing a video edit, so that's why it's like this. So but you can upload your image here, describe the scene you want. You can even describe the color of the wings you want. Just describe it in proper plain terms, and then just click on generate. Now let's see, I've used 38% of my credits that have been allotted to me, so you can always generate more with the free model. And you can see what I'm using is the free version. The only downside is that it takes a whole lot of time, almost an hour, but you get what you actually want. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys, and please subscribe as we're actively trying to grow this channel. Thank you very much.